Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for beginners. WordPress is an incredibly powerful and versatile platform, perfect for anyone looking to build a website without needing extensive coding knowledge. It's used by millions globally, from small personal blogs to large corporate sites. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from setting up your site to creating engaging content. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of your online presence. Getting your WordPress website online is simpler than you might think. First, you'll need to select a web host and register a domain name that represents your brand or idea. Most hosting providers offer easy, one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly straightforward. Once installed, you can log into your WordPress dashboard, which is your command center for all site management. This initial setup lays the foundation for your entire online journey. One of WordPress's greatest strengths is its flexibility through themes and plugins. Themes dictate your site's visual style, offering countless options to match your aesthetic. Plugins, on the other hand, extend your site's functionality, allowing you to add features like social media integration, security enhancements, or even a full online store. Together, they empower you to personalize your website extensively, creating a unique and powerful online presence tailored to your specific needs. With your site set up and customized, it's time to create compelling content. WordPress uses a user-friendly block editor, making it easy to add text, images, videos, and more to your posts and pages. Organize your content with categories and tags to help visitors find what they're looking for. Once you're happy with everything, give your site a final review. Then, with a simple click, you can launch it, sharing your creation with a global audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.